Hey, this is Will. So in this video, I'm going to tell you what is the fastest way to make money online. And I think this is a little bit complex topic because different people might have different opinions, but I'll try to tell you what I think is the fastest way and why exactly that is. So in this video, I'm going to tell you what exactly is this method, why do I argue that this is the fastest way, what are a few different strategies that you can do to start out this very fast, and if you are going to go for this method, some of the really important things to understand. By the way, every single week I give out one of my courses completely for free, so just press thumbs up on this video and leave a comment down below to enter the competition. Also, I have a bunch of useful freebies on my website, so check out all of the links down below in the description. Now let's jump straight into the video. So right away, the method that I am talking about is affiliate marketing. So this basically means getting commissions for recommending other people's products, services, software, whatever it is. So the way this works is very simple. You just need to sign up for an affiliate program, then you get your own custom referral link. If you share that link with someone and they make a purchase after going through your link, then you get a certain commission. So why do I say that this is the fastest way? First of all, because you don't need to have any product. So with a lot of different other methods how to make money online, build out different businesses, most of the time you will need to have some sort of product. Here you really just need to find other people's products and different affiliate programs, and you just need to sign up with the programs, and that really doesn't even take that long, so you can pretty much start instantly. So even now, after watching this video, you can actually start out 10 minutes later and already start generating revenue. So it really depends on the affiliate program, but for some affiliate programs, you don't even need to have a website. There are some programs where you sign up and right away you get affiliate link and then you can do whatever you want. There are some affiliate programs, they will require you to have a website or at least have some sort of social media following or an email list, so it does kind of depend. Another cool thing also why I wanted to include this as the fastest way is because when it comes to affiliate marketing, a lot of different things that you do, they can also be outsourced. And obviously, if you can outsource something, if you can get other people to do the work for you, then you can scale much faster. So when it comes to affiliate programs, there are a lot of different types of affiliate programs, but I would say in general, you have your digital products where you are going to get commissions. I would say usually anywhere from 30 to 100%. And you might be surprised why there's 100% commission, but some digital products, they do that. Some people do that because they are selling basically a front end offer where they have a digital product and then they upsell different offers after that. So they can actually afford to give you 100% commissions because after that they are going to be upselling other products, and that's where they actually make the money. You also have different softwares and affiliate programs for that. Usually it's going to be around 30 to 40% commissions, and the cool thing about software is that it can also be recurring commissions, meaning that you're going to get commissions for every single month that your referred user is using that software. And then you also have physical products, and physical products are usually less commission rates. So usually I would say somewhere between 10 to 20%. And that's obviously because those people who are selling the physical products, they have a lot of cost as well because they actually need to keep on producing the product. So if you're looking for a fast way, I would say that most likely it's not a good option for you to do physical products just because you do have very low commission rates. So again, why I say that this is really fast way is because once you get your affiliate link, you can pretty much use whatever resources you have to drive traffic to that affiliate link. So even now, if you go after this video, you sign up for affiliate program and you just give that link to your friend who you know that they are going to benefit from that product or service or software, whatever it is. If they sign up, you are going to get commission. So really you can start right away just by leveraging whatever you really have. But being realistically, obviously this isn't going to make you a ton of money because it's not really scalable. But once again, why I say that this is a fast way, because you don't need to create any product or anything like that. You don't even need necessarily to have a website. So you can even use social media platforms. So if you create some Instagram accounts, you can drive traffic through Instagram, through Facebook groups. You can drive a lot of traffic through Pinterest, so on and so forth. So you can leverage different social media platforms to drive the traffic, and you can start out doing that right away. Just to give you a couple more examples, you can also leverage different websites such as Quora. So for example, if someone asks for a specific question, if you answer that question, you can leave your affiliate link leading people to the product or the service, whatever it is, and you can collect affiliate commissions, and you're just leveraging that audience that already exists on Quora. And you can do that once again right away after watching this video. You can go on Quora and start answering some questions. Another example would be using something like Medium. Once again, they have their own audience there where you can just write a blog post and you don't need to create any website or anything like that. You don't need to wait until you start ranking on Google or any of those things. Right away, you write a blog post and then you can get some people to read it and use your affiliate links. And another way, one of my favorite ways, is doing YouTube. Obviously this takes a little bit more time, but then again, it all depends how exactly you are doing this. Perhaps it is very fast for you to create different videos, and on YouTube some of the videos, they can explode right away and you can get a lot of views. And if you have your affiliate links in your video description and you have some call to action, then again, you can start generating revenue very fast. So if you're going to pursue this method, I do have to say there are a few things that I would really advise to think about. First of all, as I already mentioned, it can be very fast. If you are just in a rush and you want to start generating revenue as soon as possible, yes, you can do that with some of the methods that I mentioned, but you also want to build out long-term things that are going to generate you consistent revenue month over month. Also, as I mentioned, some of the affiliate programs, they really don't require you to have anything, so you can start out right away. However, some of them are going to ask you to have a website, and honestly, in general, having some sort of landing page does help out a lot, because instead of just sending people to that product or service, you can create a landing page that is going to help you to convince more those people to sign up for that specific offer. Also, another reason why you might want to have a landing page is because once you get the traffic to go somewhere, if they come on your landing page, you can collect their email address instead of just sending them to the offer and that's it. Because if you just send someone to the offer, then they are going to make the purchase, or you're not going to make the purchase, but that is it. You already sent this traffic, you already put in the time, and what if they didn't make the purchase, then you don't get anything. However, if they come to your landing page, you can capture their email address, and then if you want, you can retarget them with either the same offer, or if you have some different related offers that you know that the person would be interested in, you can keep on retargeting them. So that is something that is very, very important part of affiliate marketing, and not having that email list really will make a huge difference. So while you can start out right away and just lead people straight to the offer, I definitely advise to actually put in a little bit more effort and you can create landing pages very simple. I will leave some links for some useful resources, but just create a landing page and then capture email addresses, and then you can keep on sending different affiliate offers to those people and generating more and more income. Another very important thing, if you're going to do affiliate marketing, look into recurring programs. So that means as long as someone that you referred is still using that specific, usually it's going to be a software, if they're still using that software or that service, you are going to get commissions every single month. And it kind of depends on the programs. Some of them, they might do only 12 months, but some of them are lifetime. And just try to imagine how powerful that is. If you refer a user to a specific affiliate program, you will get commissions for years and years to come, which is absolutely mind-blowing. And lastly, the one important thing I have to mention here is that affiliate marketing does give you a percentage, a commission of what the actual sale is. However, if you go to create your own product or your own service, then you can keep the whole profit. So you do have to keep that in mind, that this is very fast because you don't need to create a product. However, the downside of that is that you're only getting a certain percentage of the actual price. If you found this video useful, make sure to smash that thumbs up button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, put on those notifications so you see every time I publish a new useful video like this. Stay awesome, and I'll see you soon.